In the final lesson in this module, I'm going to teach you how to install the Choroplethr package. So far, we've installed the R programming language, and then we installed R Studio, which is a nice development environment for R. And finally, we're going to install the actual R package we're going to use in the remainder of this course. If you already know R, then you can simply type the code that you see here from R. But in case you're new to R, I'm going to walk you through the installation process step by step. In the last lesson, you installed R Studio and you got to this screen, which shows the 4 panes of R Studio. In the lower left-hand pane, you'll see a tab that says Console. You need to go there and type install.packages, parentheses, quote, Choroplethr. After typing in that code and hitting enter, you should see some text appear in the console, similar to what you see in this screenshot. Then repeat the exact same process, but type install.packages, parentheses, quote, Choroplethr maps. And again, you should see some text appear in the console, similar to what you see in the screenshot above. Next, you want to verify that the installation succeeded. And you do this by going into the lower right-hand pane and clicking on the button at the top of that pane that says Packages. In the Packages window, you should be able to see a package called Choroplethr and Choroplethr maps in that list. As long as you can see those names appear in the list, the package is installed successfully. An important thing to know about R and R packages is that they are constantly being updated. At the time of this recording, I am using R version 3.4.3, Choroplethr 3.6.1, and Choroplethr maps 1.0.1. In the packages window, you should be able to see the version of each package that you have installed. Also, if you want to see what version of R you have installed, simply go back to the console and type r.version parentheses. This concludes Module 1. The first lesson was what you'll learn. And there I gave the roadmap for the entire course. In the remaining 3 lessons, we installed all of the software that you need to complete all the exercises in the course. And that included installing R, installing R Studio, and finally installing the Choroplethr package.